Assalamualaikum Mister. Halo, apa kabar? Aduh, saya berada di Kuwait, sis. In Kuwait.
We don't talk about coconut water.
Oh, I want original apa?
Yeah, not banana ya.
No banana. This Kuwait, yeah.
This place called MEC, yeah, Mr. English Club, is a place for studying English, especially practicing.
Yeah.
If you want to be able to speak English well, you can come here and join us.
Oh yeah. Many student.
Not
No.
yeah, because we already we've been 3 days here and it's still new and we're still on the process to promote to probably who want to share, who want to join here. We are really so happy, excited.
Yeah, it is certificate international.
That was when I what is it?
America.
Yeah.
Yeah,
America. When I achieved world records from England.
What's record?
Yeah, world records. It's called like Guinness Royal World Record.
Yeah.
And the second one is Muri Record.
Muri Record.
Yeah, when I was in Sigli at that time.
Yeah, with
We conducted English learning for 2,000 people at that time.
Mr.
Nearby
Sira.
alun-alun Sigli.
Mr. Sira.
Yeah, from Muhammad Ajar. The previous vice governor.
Yeah. Governor. Muhammad Najar.
Yeah, that was me in
Singapore.
yeah, Singapore.
Oh yeah. This America, yes.
And that is my friend.
Oh,
You
yes,
can talk
your
with
friend.
Herman.
Hello.
Herman, how are you?
Herman.
Yeah, his name is Herman.
Herman.
He's
Yeah.
not from Aceh. He's from Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. Yeah. This from wood, yeah.
This one is so unique, and you know what is it? It's like you can.
Oh yeah.
It's levitating. Okay, levitating earth. Right. You can. And there's nothing here. Yeah.
How many students?
We don't still have a student yet here because we already open for 3 days. And the next month for the launching.
Lost.
How about the tuition or fare?
Yeah, the tuition for 1 month is only 200,000. 200,000 for speaking.
For all level.
All level, but we just applicable for the 20 to 30 or more than that. Yeah. It's not for kids. It's for adults. Yeah, adults. For adults, not for kids. You know why? Because there's so many places over here, and I'm afraid if we just open for the kid and the kid's gonna mess up. That's why.
Install the AC.
Yeah, that's right.
Still very fresh.
Yeah, still fresh. Where did you learn English?
No, I'm not. I did not. Just autodidact.
Oh.
Call it Indonesian. Just never took English course.
Never taken English course. But the English sounds great. English sounds great.
No, still that hard for me to express things in English now.
Do you stay here in Belajar?
No,
Yeah.
I'm
In Sigli.
Sigli.
Oh, if you stay here, can we join us here?
but unfortunately so long way from my hometown.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, perhaps in the weekend you can come here to share or to talk with us.
Not regularly, but the regular student who will call it with question. But I want to take TOEFL preparation.
Total preparations, yeah. You
Have
got
to
a plan for
know it.
studying again?
Formally, regularly. Weekly, we can daily.
For TOEFL, we just open on weekend.
Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday.
How many meetings?
1 week to 2 meetings. 2 meetings in 1 week. In a week. Wait a minute.
Can be adjusted. Can be adjusted. The schedule.
The schedule, if I return to Sigli, we can share the schedule each other because I always come back to Sigli right away on weekend. Yeah, on weekend I just stay in Sigli for weekend because my mom's there in Bali. And I have to visit my mom in the weekend. So how did you know Mr. Maimun?
From the same institution
Oh, it's
that from that.
English is good. Yeah, probably you need more friends to practice.
Practice no. Never practice it in actual.
Have you been abroad before?
Huh?
Have you been abroad?
No.
But right now, if you want to learn English by videos like YouTube,
Yeah,
it's like
like
Praktis.
Specifically, but never converse with the native, never. So that my accent, maybe my pronunciation.
But your pronunciation is good. Because when I teach English, I always emphasize that they don't need to copy, native, because we have our own style, right? You can copy native, but probably you can copy the international English. It's not we speak like British, ancient British, because it sounds weird if you speak like ancient British. I can copy or I can sort of fake the accent like that, but probably when people listen to me, they're going to laugh because they say, "Hey, you're Indonesian, but why you have to be like British?"
To be ourselves, no.
Yeah, just be yourself.
Not faking.
Not faking the accent. The accent.
But it's easier for us to speak like native, like difficult for us, hard for us to speak English with Indonesian accent, thing hard for the.
Because even native, when they study Indonesian, Indonesian Bahasa, they speak not probably like us, right? They still sounds like bullet too. It sounds like even if they stay for 10 years, 20 years in Indonesia, this is sounds like bullet.
Yeah.
Because they can't fake accent. Accent is kind of, there's no study about accents.
Been born with our own accent,
Yeah. Exactly.
Especially if we learn English, by age of more above 20, I think it's difficult for us to
memorize, to follow the class. Because right now, most important things in learning English is more vocabularies. You have to enrich your vocabularies.
That's the most important thing in English, vocabulary. So you can listen to.
The more you know, the more you can communicate with people. Because vocabularies.
Have very rare occasion we meet the native never in written English, written form. I understand English some.
Because I've been doing the advanced class conversation before, and all of them, they don't speak like native, they just speak the way they are. And they have rich vocabularies. Yeah. They knew everything, they knew all the terms, even the intellectual term, academic terms, they knew everything. That's too much work.
Politics and governmental terms.
If you see Indian or Malaysian, they speak the way they are. Right?
Yes, like.
But Indonesian is one of the most clear English. Is in the level of Indonesian is more than probably Chinese. Indonesian is better because the way they pronounce the word is correct.
Especially if we compare it with Indian English.
Yeah, Indian English is
very
not
weird.
clear. I can't get what they're talking about sometimes. It's kind of difficult to hear.
Doesn't sound like English.
It doesn't sound like English. It sounds like Hindustan, what is it? Like Punjabi or something like that.
They don't fake the accent.
They don't fake the accent.
Just their own accent. What's important to be understood by others is enough of them.
Yeah.
to reach native level thing difficult, hard, impossible.
Exactly.
Impossible.
So Mr. Maimun, why you don't talk?
No problem.
So I can take the promotion here with tuition some 200.
200,000. That's for promotion.
Not for package, no.
No, package is probably 600,000, but we knew the barriers of the students. Sometimes they don't have money to pay in
Yes.
3 months, so they can pay 1 month per month.
It depends on maybe 1 month for some it is enough, but
Yeah.
to get some 400 or up.
Yeah.
This
But we don't finish the brochure yet. Yeah, we'll be going to process it later soon.
I take video
You take the video
yeah. live to YouTube. Yeah.
yeah, when you upload it, and my students going to comment.
But
Comment.
according to Mr's experience, how many months it
It depends on our discipline, our commitment. If we have a commitment and we seriously study 3 or 4 months, we can get even more knowledge.
from zero, it's impossible from zero.
From zero for daily English is probably for 6 months for English, basics English.
For TOEFL,
For TOEFL, we have a target 3 months. TOEFL. How to answer in the right way, how to answer the examinations. Because TOEFL is strict, right? We learn by strict. TOEFL, we don't need to be able to speak English to answer TOEFL, because it's learning by strict.
But I heard some, the TOEFL takers can be doctor, can be, bribe, you can say, to get the higher score. So, is it true? I don't know for sure.
In practice, you mean to get the high score?
The high score can be,
We can pay.
pay.
You mean, yeah, that is general secret, public secret. Everybody knows that. In Rusia, if you wanna get the perfect score for the TOEFL, you can pay. Yeah. In Lembaga Bahasa, yeah.
But not.
Because I got some friends who
Yeah,
you can meet with and talk about it. Yeah. Because everything in ACEH can be arranged. Yeah. It's not. We can wonder about it because Indonesia is one of the most corrupt.
Everything can be bought.
Yeah.
Mr. Information to YouTuber.
To YouTuber information, we already told everything. I don't know what to say.
Apa? Teachers, English schools.
Yeah, right now we are already open here, and we don't have a student yet, we don't have a teacher yet, because it's been 3 days. And of course, we are going to be better for next month. Of course, next month if you come back here, there probably will be 50 students or 100 students going here. But we're not focusing studying upstairs or in here in the office, in the class, but we're focusing study outside, so like in cafeteria, in the public places, the garden, in the park, and in places that are really cozy places. Because we're practicing, right? Practicing needs a place of friendly,
Outbound.
Real atmosphere.
Yeah.
Real atmosphere, not
real
limited
atmosphere.
to
Yeah.
the indoor.
Yeah, not under pressure like in the box like that or in the class, because they, of course, they study in the college, in the class, and then when they come here, I want to offer the new atmospheres and study outside.
It's better for us to learn English outside in the real situation.
In the real situation.
Not indoors, not natural.
Yeah, exactly, definitely. And we literally will visit like airport or harbor, and then we're going to practice with them, with the native who visit Aceh, and we're going to practice with them outside.
Very good, opportunity for us to have
Yeah.
native as our partner.
Because we learn about communicating and confidence. Confidence, communicating is very important.
Okay.
And when you speak English, you don't need to be like ashamed when you make a mistake, because it's normal, right? English is not our language. So why you have to be scared for? When you learn English, of course you make a mistake. So it's normal if you make a mistake.
No foreigner masters foreign language, perfectly.
Yeah, that's right. And one point I want to say for YouTubers is, you need to be like never take never care about what people say about your English. This is the point. When you say, "Oh, my English is bad," don't say that. You have to say, "My English is improving every day."
That's my English, my
Yeah.
own English.
Yeah.
You know, however bad it is.
Yeah, however bad.
it is, you know, that's still.
But if you speak Indonesian bad, you have to be questioned, right? But in English, it's okay. That's why I teach confidence. That's
Confident to
confident,
express
always.
yourself.
But I don't teach accent.
Accent be born.